Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix motorcycle insurance with Harley-Davidson Insurance, full guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your motorcycle insurance with Harley-Davidson Insurance, visit their official website. Look for the insurance section on the homepage. Click on the link that says get a quote to start the process. Fill out the required information, including your name, address, and motorcycle details. Be prepared to provide specifics about your Harley-Davidson model, year, and mileage. Next, indicate your desired coverage options, such as liability, collision, and comprehensive insurance. Review any discounts available for Harley-Davidson owners or safe driving history. Once you've completed the online form, submit it to get your customized insurance quote. After receiving your quote, take a moment to compare it with other insurers for the best deal. If you're satisfied with Harley-Davidson Insurance, proceed to purchase your policy. You may need to provide additional documentation, such as your motorcycle registration and proof of previous insurance. After processing your application, you will receive your policy documents via email or through your online account. Review your policy carefully to ensure all information is accurate and coverage meets your needs. If you have any questions, contact Harley-Davidson Insurance Customer Service for assistance. Make sure to keep your insurance card in an easily accessible location while riding. Lastly, remember to review your policy periodically to adjust coverage as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.